and we all need to help educate and avoid any beliefs, for instance, that this is just an extrapolation from helicopters. It's not. These vehicles are so much better, so much more capable, so much quieter, so much safer, so much more efficient. And we need to bring everyone along on this exciting journey.
It's not about one vehicle, so don't start poking holes. Oh, I don't like that vehicle. It's about a bunch of vehicles. I just have one question for you. Are you still believers?